Hey everybody, Drew here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Bastion Gear LLC Titan fixed blade. I know that's a mouthful, so from now on we're just going to call it the Titan. Stay tuned. Alright, so when you first get the package in from Bastion Gear, you do get a nice little gift box here, and we'll open that up to reveal the knife with the Kydex sheath, and we'll take it out of the box here and go over some basic specs for you. Alright, so now that we have the knife out of the box, we will go over some of the Titan specs for you. So the overall length end to end is 7.5 inches. The blade length on this knife is 3.25 inches, and it is made out of D2 steel. The weight on the knife is right at 8 ounces, and it does come with a Kydex polymer plastic sheath with a tech lock on the back here, and it does come with a lock, so once you get it adjusted to your belt width, you can take these tabs out and adjust that. You close it and then shift that tab over and it will lock in place. And it is a pretty good fit in the sheath. Not a whole lot of rattle or anything like that. It's not going anywhere, and fits really nicely in the sheath. So as far as the knife itself goes, it does have some jimping up here on the top, which you can see there. And it does really fit the hand really well. I wear size large gloves, and it fits my hand really well. It does have a black PVD coating on the blade, and it does have that Bastion logo right there, and then it's got the D2 stamp on the back side. So you can actually remove the scales by way of the 2 screws right here, and it does come with a lanyard hole as well. So that's just a basic overview. I'll be doing some testing on this knife and come back with the results. If you have any questions, let me know.